Hello. Good morning. Hello, hello, hello. Weni nonke. I think that means good morning.
Yebo, to everybody.
Lekker, Lizzo. Hello, hello, hello. All right. Quite the busy day we have up ahead. Okay. Look at this. Oh, well, yeah. No, tomorrow is the busy day. Um, I'm not on the 1 hour chart. Nice one. I want to say, why on earth are there so many fundamental events taking place? Because I only know of one fundamental event taking place. But yeah, okay, we finally did it. Oh, but it's frustrating because just before the third day profit, we turned around and we came back, and I got exited out of my position. Um, so yeah, so for this whole week, I've been waiting for Euro USD to just go and touch that new high or break above it. And we got that with literally 1 pip. Look at that. Look at this guy. Okay, so we did it, but at what cost? And we also looked for a break above this previous, well, the current week's high, then a bit of a retest, and then that continuation. But we actually got that much deeper retest back towards the new week opening gap. And now you need to think, what is Luan thinking now again? I'm thinking about a buy position again on Euro USD. Okay, this is actually a decent price level as well for a buy. I like this a lot. Back towards the highs of the week. I quickly just want to look at something. Oh my days, Brent is pushing up really good. I'll get to my Brent trade idea just now. Okay, so yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Obviously, we do have a fundamental mayhem today. Well, tomorrow, actually tomorrow. But this is what I do want to see for Euro USD, and that rhymes. 250. There we go. Okay, with a really quite deep stop loss. Risk reward ratio is still decent. And I will definitely look for taking off some of my trades, well, perhaps a position when we reach this high volume area. So my first take profits risk reward ratio will be just below 1 to 1, perhaps. I could push it for 1 to 1. But I think I'll stick to 1.029, 1 to 0.9. Um, but I'm targeting the high for the week. Okay, I'm not going to look at just this high. Now I'm seeing a pattern. Okay, and I hope you also see this pattern. Okay, so I'm definitely looking at this. I am in the Brent crude buy. I want to stay for that only. But this is also, you know what? Hold on. Give me a moment, please. Quickly give me a moment. Let me quickly just do this. Okay, I did it. I entered into another position on Euro USD as well. So I'm currently in two trades, Brent crude and Euro USD. Please do store Euro USD trade. Please send the trade idea on Telegram unless we do it online now. I did send on Telegram. I just also want to send out this analysis. You think this will be too complicated for people who's not joining the session? Well, these sessions. Okay, my first take profit level, I made just below this high volume area. Okay, remember these prices are not the prices that will reflect at your broker because it's different data providers. Um, but yeah, my take profit is literally just below this price level. How I actually do it is I look at what's happening at price, and then I'm going to my MetaTrader 5 and I'm looking at, okay, where is this? What price level is this price action? Where, yeah, at what price did this occur? And actually, I think my take profit one is like in between this high over here, the 8 o'clock high, 8:15 high, and then this morning's 1:30 high. So it's around here-ish, just below this week. Let me just zoom in for you a little bit. It's just below this week, the week of the 8:30 candle. Literally just below it. Okay. So yeah, feeling confident. Again, reacting off of the current week's fair value low. Also coming into our new week opening gap. So really confluence over confluence. Feeling really good. Let me just remove some of these things so that I could just perhaps, I'm going to set it like this. Let me just remove this as well. Just want to send out the analysis. I should actually do it for Brent crude as well, now that I think about it. Um, okay, you guys are quickly going to do, or yeah, work with me. Let me just analysis on zero D. Okay, that's for Euro USD. Jumping to Brent. See, the thing is with Brent, no one's going to really understand this because it's like a bit of an advanced trade. Um, Let me do it anyways. Do trade ideas in 40 minutes. You guys should be blessed. A bit more advanced entry where we want to see what you call a value area rollover. We build up high volume with the volume at the end of the swing, and now we are looking for the reversal to the upper side, building up some volume at the middle of the trend. My laptop is getting hot, hot, hot. Why? What's going on? Okay. There, thank you for doing my job with me. Okay, we can continue. Okay. So Euro USD, I've quickly just finished with Euro USD and GBP, USD and USD JPY. Also, remember we have correlating currency pairs, so we have what you call a market divergence. What I want you to look at is this high. Oh, this low high. Wow, this low yesterday at 3, and then this low this morning, quarter to 7. Okay, look at these two levels. And when I jump to GBP USD, now just bear with me, quarter past 6, well, 7 o'clock, whatever, that time zone, that time frame, and then 5 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Okay, then this, look at the swings. Okay, don't bother, don't look at the time, but just look at the swings. You can see on Euro USD, we made a lower low, but on GBP USD, we failed to create a level low, and that's usually a sign of reversal because we have there's still a lot of buyers interested, and we actually just got to a really decent point of interest for me on Euro USD. So I'm looking forward for this guy because this might actually be the one to break us even higher, perhaps pushing towards the 1.055 level. But we'll see. It's a really, I'm feeling 100% confident about this trade. We have GDP growth rate that might influence our trade at 3:30 for the US dollar. So it might definitely have an influence on our trade. If GDP comes in below the previous, it's bad for the dollar. So we will see Euro USD to push upwards. And that's definitely what I'm expecting. I'm expecting a GDP of 2.2, okay, or even just also 2.3, but I'm expecting um, a GDP actual growth rate number to come in at 2.2, but between 2.1 and 2.34, around there. So yeah, I'm just looking at the retail sales for the previous few months. It's not been doing too good. And also the exports. So I'm feeling really quite confident about this guy. And we have a really decent protection area. Okay. For GBP USD, we also yesterday wanted to see that upwards push. That's exactly what we had. We didn't get that large, deep pullback, which is also really good. So yeah, really happy about it. Why? Because we created a new high for the week, and that's also what we wanted to see for GBP USD this week. So really happy about it. Really happy, yeah, with the outcomes for this week's trades, and also the live analysis. Um, so yeah, no, I just want to see continuations. For those trend line traders, you might probably see that, oh, you're at the trend line. Woo, I don't know. But yeah, we're all forming a decent trend. We created this high, had a pullback, created this high, had our pullback. Now we want to see what? Continuations. Um, so yeah, excited about this one. Excited about Euro USD. Also super excited about Brent. I mean, we are almost at take profit one on Brent. It's a quite small trade, but Brent can be extremely volatile. I mean, just look at this. I don't even know what you call this type of price action. But yeah, want to see that nice value area rollover. And this is also another confirmation. This engulfing candle is just a beautiful, beautiful confirmation. Okay, so I actually would have entered off of this candle at 3 o'clock. I don't know about you, but I was sleeping at 3. Then I waited for a bit of a retracement. And then when I saw this deep retracement, I was like, okay, I'm going to look for this buy immediately. And that's when I took it. So yeah, beautiful value area rollover potential, to be really honest with you. And you'll see that we have this little range that we are forming, and that's why our first take profit and perhaps second take profit, I think also is inside of this range. No, I think only the first take profit is inside of this range. Okay, because if we react off of this high of this range, then we have protection by moving our stop loss to the entry price, or just below the entry price, or just above the entry price. Okay, so a bit smart thinking, forward thinking on the Brent crude trade idea, so really happy about it. I'm going to wait patiently for the Euro USD trade to provide us with a decent move. Also, just want to look at it on a 1 hour time frame. Yeah, look at that. We had a deep retracement back inside of new week opening gap below the 200 exponential moving average, closed above the 200 exponential moving average. Um, this is just phenomenal price action. Now we just need to close above the current week's value area high that we formed. If I move this to 68, I just want to see where the potential lies, probably around here. Yeah, okay, that's beautiful. That's exactly what we do want to see. Because usually when we break out of that 40%, we push up towards the 68% value area high. So yeah, really happy with what's to come for today. Extremely excited. Lucky. Okay. So that's going to be it for the session. Gold is doing what gold is doing. Really not the prettiest of price action, to say the least. So yeah, for you gold traders, I am thinking about you. You are in my prayers. Um, but I promise you, it's not the end of the world. We probably will still see a pullback. Okay. Um, we are seeing some of this corrections more often in the past week or two, um, which is actually a good thing because when we have these corrections, we see a bigger push to the upper side. And yeah, the dollar is just throwing things over a little bit. Department of Government Efficiency is doing its job in a really proper way. But yeah, if you just look at the dollar index with me quickly, you can see that we are at a nice resistance level. So if we push down and we break below this range's low, you can see we have a bit of a range also that we're forming. We just mark it out for you. There you go. That's the range. Okay. If we get a break below that low and gold does go against the dollar index in some occurrences, then it's definitely a good sign for you gold boys. Okay. Sean, mine as well, eh? Um, yeah, I almost swallowed a cucumber. I go, wait, yeah, okay, rental guide. But yeah, geez, it was like when I saw this 0.19 level, I was like, oh my days, like, your yeah, now is a good time to buy in again. I'm going to wait a little while because I'm looking forward to what's to come next week with NFP and everything. So I do think we will see a bit of a deeper retracement, but now is also not a bad time. Remember, it's not financial advice, but yeah, now is also not a really bad time to get yourself some in points. But yeah. Okay, that's going to conclude the session. Thank you so much to everyone who participated. As always, it is, I will find you if I lose. And I will find you too because you said might buy now again. So you actually started it. So I will find you, Sean, I promise you. Um, but yeah, thank you again. Thanks for everyone who participated. Your time is much appreciated. Remember to go and subscribe on the YouTube channel. These sessions are going on the YouTube channel. Um, so yeah, it really means a lot. We've rose like we got like 92 subscribers in the past month. So I'm really happy about that. Um, we because of that Euro USD trade not playing out as we wanted at the beginning of the week, I need to start monetizing off of YouTube. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, it really helps a lot. Your support really helps a lot. Okay, where's the link to it? You can just search on YouTube Smart Online Trader, or I can just send you the link right now. Just quickly bear with me. Oh, for fast. Okay. Where on earth is my Zoom? Oh my days. There we go. Okay. Okay, lekker. I've sent the link for you in the chat room. Okay, but enjoy your lovely Thursday morning. It's a beautiful, no, it's not that beautiful, but it's a good morning. And then I'll see you for our New York pre-market analysis session. All right. Cheers, everyone. Take care and be blessed.